Hey friends, if the wireless adapter is missing in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Here's what we can do. First of all, search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager. One thing is that you don't find the device manager, the device drivers here at the first place. If you do, then update them. If you don't, then click on action and scan for hardware changes. Okay. In this case, if the adapter appears well and good, if not, then the next stage is as follows. Press Windows plus R, type ncpa.cpl and hit enter. This will open the network connections window. Right click on the active network connection and enable it. Okay. These are the main solutions. If it doesn't help, then just go to amazon.com or any other website that you trust and then search for a Wi-Fi adapter. Buy the smaller ones, they are more than sufficient. You don't need to buy a bulky adapter like this one. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.